comes. Oh no!
Winter's day in the UK here. What do? Drifting. We've got the UDRs out. Got some new stickers on this one. Haven't put any on my truck as yet. Quite cool. But yeah, we're going to give them a go at drifting again. Slightly different layout. We'll see who can be the drift master today. Who do you think is going to win? Right, you ready? Different course. Let's see what happens. It'll be carnage. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, no grip. No grip. Round this one. Oh, both backed in nicely. The cones have gone already. I just did a bit of camera footage. Oh, come on. I can't actually see too well over that side of the track. Oh, well.
Oh, no.
That wasn't very good.
This is so hard. Oh, my God. Come on, come back. Here we go. 1 lap. Wow.
Right, where is he? Let's try to have a head on here.
Look it into here.
Oh, I nearly got there without hitting the cone. Someone else had moved them already. This is so hard. And it's a difficult track. I can't see the track again. Let's just turn it round there. Oh, that's quite nice. Now there's a curve there. I might hit it. I can't see. Oh, understeer again. So you need to get on the power. That'll sort the understeer out.
At least I'm on the curve. I'm fairly safe.
Flick it. Oh, nice, 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 nice. I can hear cones going in the background. That's it. Let's turn it there. I think I made a bit of time up on that lap.
Come here.
Here we go. Right, let's do a flip here. Oh, nice. Bit of camera. Nice close to the camera.
Coming back.
Might have missed that cone. Think I noticed? No. Oh, every time! He's got that one.
Oh, yes.
That's hard work.
It's quite satisfying when you get the line right.
Yeah, I'm actually going to stand here this time.
Okay.
Because I can't see over here very well.
Yeah, I did think that was asking a bit much. I touched the curb just once, very lightly with the back end.
Really? Oh, I hit the curb loads of times.
Oh, just the once.
Oh,
those
hang on.
cones have
let
been
me move
moved.
these cones.
I don't.
Right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I've got a drop on the line. Oh, we both. Look at that.
Oh, no, where am I going? Come down. This way.
Oh, bugger.
Around the corner.
Come on, right. Here we go. I've got a little bit better view this time.
It's just so slow. You can't get your head around how little grip there is.
That was nice. Might just tag the cone. Come on, let's flick it in here. I can't see on the car here. A little bit of a tag.
Not the finest line I've ever done.
Come on, come back to me, come back. We're nearly in the other car park. If I go any wider there. I'm on the grass. Yeah, on the grass. Oh, should we do a flick here? Oh, I missed the cones, only because they've been moved, I think. Come on, get away from that curb. Oh no, we're not going to hit the curb. No. Oh, got the inside of it. That was more luck than judgment. Can't see the truck. Oh. God, it's so hard. This is RC driving 10/10. Oh. You stuck? Yeah, I'll go fast. Right, here we go. Right, let's do a flick here. Cones might have got moved again. Oh, he's got the inside. Just push him out of the way. I'm on quarter throttle. Oh, quarter throttle. There's certainly some questionable driving skills here, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's just
I won round one of them. Not many, just the one.
Oh, I got him as well. No, I'm going to hit the curb
Can he
again.
get around the last
I need to
corner?
come back that way. Oh,
Yes.
go all the way round then.
What's happened there then?
Well,
Is that 2-0?
yes.
I'll get back and sort these cones out. We can easily go the other way.
I
Move the
will-
drone as well.
I'm going to move the drone. Go. Look at that. Look at him leap away from the line. Just the speed. I can't see. Oh, he just took me out.
Oh, wait. Come on in.
Here we go.
That was funny.
Oh, he was gentlemanly. Oh.
Oh,
Hand drifting.
get him away there.
All the way around this time.
Oh,
Not a consistent
God.
line, was it? At all. Oh, where are we going?
I'm going that way. I nearly went the wrong way. Silly me. I'm going this side.
Ah.
We
I
didn't
was gonna go
specify.
around that way.
Well, no, I think you're right. I was just on that path.
There's a curb there somewhere. Oh,
Yeah.
there's no drifting, just understeer. Come on, get on the car. Let's get this. No, let's. We see if we can flick it through there. Oh, look at that! Oh, he
slow around
just
that corner.
glanced the curb.
Oh,
no,
dear.
the cone.
Are we going that way? Oh!
Where's he going? Oh, wait.
Pause.
Where are you going?
I forgot where I was going. I'm coming, I'm coming.
This one is mine, I think. Even if I don't win it. Here we go. Flick it around there. Look at that. Nice and controlled. Quarter throttle. Oh, we've gone the wrong way. But we'll get away with it. We'll get away with it. I could see something else was driving at the wrong direction.
Oh dear.
Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Just nice, gentle drift.
Is this the last lap? I think
Yeah,
it is,
I
isn't
think
it?
so.
It's not looking good for me.
Oh, we're sweeping the gutters there. Look at it. Just, just
dear.
gently. We're going to have to flick it back in.
I can't do this way around.
Yeah, I think I can say this one is mine. I'll just slow it. I don't want to crash into him. Watch it. Did you see that? Flick it in, slide it around, and we'll wait there. Oh, that was nice.
Yeah.
Very
the last
nice.
2 corners, that one over there I got perfect. Hope for the drone caught
First
it.
lap. 3, 2, 1, go. Who can get him off the line quickest? Not letting it. I've got the inside. Can I keep it? Oh, look at that. How close can we? Oh, just... oh, look at us come around here. Well, that weren't really much. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Nice, calm apex. Now this is the tricky corner, because you've got quite a bit of speed coming up to here, and you need to flick it about here. Oh, beautiful. Both of us actually, but no, I messed it coming out of the corner. God, I was nearly into the curb. I'm nearly into the stall in the background there. Oh, that's not drifting. That was just driving around the corner for me. Oh, I've gone backwards.
Coming through the middle.
I can hear cones in the background. Look at that, tight. 90 degrees to where I'm meant to be going. What have we got? I think this is the penultimate. No, that's start the last lap, aren't we? Oh, we've got a nice tight line here, but he's gone round.
It's not looking good. Oh, I can't do this way
Well, we're
around.
doing pirouette. Oh, that was quite cool. I think I've given him the lead. What am I doing? I'll move up the inside. I do feel a little guilty about that. I'll slow down a little bit. Watch him come around this corner. Look at him. Full chat round there. Here we go. Right. I've got this last corner not to mess up, which I did last time. Come on, flick it in. Oh, that's nice. Can't seem to lose the truck. There we go.
Oh, tricky. Well, I've won both of the other direction. You've won both of this direction. Stay here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Slightly different layout. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, there's no feathering in the throttle from the blue truck there, was there? Oh, come on, understeered, central. Right, here we go, got to flick it into here early.
Oh, come on.
Well,
That lovely.
it was his own fault. Oh my God. Well, he went to drifting. You wouldn't tell from my truck there, would you? We're going to come all the way around here this time. Tipping point there, the camera. Oh.
Having a mare. Hold on.
Where's he gone? Look at that. I just took that very gently. I didn't want to crash into him. But there's still time for me to mess this up big time. Oh, yeah. If I go any further, I will be into the town centre of Bury. If I'm not careful. I thought I'd back off there, make sure I didn't crash into him with that. Just gently going around there. Not even on full throttle. Oh, we might have just crashed into the cones there. Oh, no. Oh. It's cut out.
Is that the end?
I don't know, mine's cut out.
Oh.
Right then.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Right. Initiate into the drift. Oh, he's pushing out of the way. That's not drifting. Right, let's see if we can. Oh, I'm too wide. Oh, I'm going up the wrong part of the track there.
I'll take it easy, let you catch up.
Right, come on, we've got to catch him up now. Come on, right, let's just keep it sliding round there. That's it, keep it sliding round there.
Right, I'm back on it now.
Yeah,
you've trashed the course.
Might have had a slight instant with the cone. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, I've got to get back. I've got to get back. I'll go on the other side of these, aren't we? Oh, that didn't work, did it? Oh, listen, we avoided the cone. Just come up on a curb. Here we go. I think he's got this one, guys. So I'm going to catch him up. Unless he makes a meal of one of these. Oh! Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. I think mine's now rear wheel drive.
Are you even in the same race, mate?
Oh, look, we're rear wheel drive now. Yeah, something's broken on mine. We have mechanicals.
That is no front drive. You can't use the UDR in real drive, especially on these. Oh well, that's game over. Let's see what's going on. Show the people.
What have we broken?
How's the prop shaft? Front drive shaft? Any spinny wheels?
Something in there. But that's a, oh, that bearing's gone actually. That needs looking at.
Oh wow!
that was not. That wasn't going to last very.
I haven't managed to get any rear drive either.
Look at that. That needs sorting out, and yes, we have no front drive. So
turnbuckles but no front drive.
Game over for that.
Oh well.
Well, we broke the orange truck. That's not the bit we actually broke. God knows how that's still going. We need to have that. Bearing's gone in there. But we've got no front drive, so you can't drift this with just rear wheel drive. It's impossible. But up until that point, it was really good fun. Not sure who came out on top. Who do you think won? Leave a little comment down below. See who you think was the drift master today. So guys, for anyone that's just interested in what we actually broke on the front of this, well, fortunately, we didn't break anything. We've got this upgraded GPM front drive shaft. Can you see? Screw there has actually come undone. So basically where it goes, you can see on there, it just come off. So, haven't really broken anything on there. It's just a case of whacking that bit back on. We will just have a look now at that back here. I think the bearings had it. So guys, we've now got the rear axle off. Pretty mucky in here. I'm going to get some new bits there. They need replacing. But look at this bearing. It's completely disintegrated. How on earth it's kept running, I suspect there's probably some bit more damage in there. But we've got to replace that. So that's the problems we have with the truck on this run.